Hello, this is Mark Spindler, instructor at Solomon College and instructor for the KWEST Employment Program. So today we are going to talk about shipping and the documents that you will need to use while shipping and what that's going to look like on our warehouse management system. For us, we use Fishbowl and we find it works well for us. So first of all, you need to be able to locate all of these documents within the Fishbowl warehouse management system. The bill of lading is found in reports and in the labels module. The packing slip will be found in the shipping module, which is a subcategory of the sales module. We will look at that in just a moment. So when printing the documents, we have two printers, one for your regular 8.5 by 11 size page, and another for your shipping label, which is kind of like a sticker. So the default printer that we have set up is our thermal printer, the ZT230 Zebra. So if you want to print a shipping label, you would just click print and it would automatically come up. However, if you want to print a packing slip or a bill of lading, you would need to select the other type of printer in order to not waste labels and print onto the wrong type of paper. So that's that. Let's take a look at our two documents. So we have here a packing slip and a bill of lading. And so in a minute, we are going to look at how these are different. This is a contract, the bill of lading, okay? And this one is mainly used to determine as a reference page. So this will go inside of a carton or inside of a pouch taped onto the side of a carton. Okay. So if you are working at a shipping station, at a warehouse, you are going to have a type of shipping software. Okay, and with that shipping software, you can weigh your case, you can scan the sales order, and then you can determine how much your shipping courier will charge you. When you scan that sales order, it'll bring up all of the information specific to that retailer to whom you are sending your carton. So here we are sending to the Keen reader by ground, that's the cheapest method, a total of 80 cases. So this is one of 80 shipping labels that would be printed. And here's the weight, the important information that would determine how much you would charge for this shipment. Make sure when you print that shipping label that you print it on the long side of your carton. Print it on the long side of your carton, and then when that gets stacked onto the pallet on that long side, the courier can scan that easily, and he'll be able to scan beep 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 all of the cases on that pallet without taking it apart. That'll make his job easy. Don't turn that part that has the barcode. Let's say I put the label here. Don't turn that into don't turn that inside, and don't hide it. If you hide it, then that makes the job, the courier's job, very difficult. Okay, so if you happen to be printing a packing slip or a bill of lading, you'll want to put the packing slip in a pouch that you'll stick on the side of that carton, or you'll want to print out that bill of lading and hand it directly to the courier because he'll need to sign that. You can also send all of your documents by advanced shipping notice so that your retailer gets it ahead of time. All right, great. So now let's go to the warehouse management system and take a look at a sales order that we have for Adidas. All right, we are now inside of Fishbowl warehouse management system, and to access our shipping module, we need to first click on sales, okay, and then we click on shipping. So here we see one one sales order 154. And if we click on that, we can look at the shipment. And here it shows that we have quite a few cartons being shipped. We can scroll down and look at them all. Now, if you had a shipping software integrated with Fishbowl, you would place that carton onto a scale and then it would add the information here. In our case, we don't have that. So what I want to do right now is to print a packing slip. So to do that, inside of shipping, you click print, and then you would not choose this thermal printer. You would pick the regular printer, this C368. Then you would click OK. Okay, so I am going to show you what this what this packing slip looks like. So at the top of this packing slip, we have all of your company's information. You have packing slip, you have the sales order number, the date it's being shipped, and a barcode associated with this sales order. You also have the ship to location and address and you also have who is going to pay for all of that. If you scroll down on this packing slip, you will see the carton count, which is 80 cases. All right, we have the FOB, free on board point, origin, shipping terms, and carrier, which carrier will be picking things up. We have the number of cartons and the weight for each carton. And then as we scroll down, we will eventually get to this part here, where we have the total weight, which is 965 pounds, almost a ton. And then here we have the quantities of each shoe being ordered. So they ordered 288 shoes and we are shipping that many. So it's all being shipped, nothing remaining. And we've put each shoe into a carton that can contain 12 shoes. So these are split up into groups of 12. If someone were to be opening this this packing slip and receiving and sorting all of the cases, they would look at the part number and they would look at the descriptions. We have 3 different shoe sizes, size 9, size 9.5, size 10. We have the brand and then the shoe name and then the color. They would look at that and they would verify that they had received all of these shoes. And of course, at the bottom of the page, we have the page count. So this is important. If you have a very large document that you're sending, it's important to know how many pages are being sent. Okay, back in Fishbowl Go, if I want to find the bill of lading, I need to click on reporting, then on reports, then I click on ship, and here is the bill of lading. Okay, I can double click on the bill of lading. I can then search for the sales order that I want, and then I can open that. Okay. Okay, so here I have a multiple page document with all of the items I have shipped, and here it lists the weight for each item. So with a bill of lading, you are going to have the weight, sometimes the dimensions, you're going to have shipping terms, and you are also going to have a place where you can write or declare the value of the shipment. So in this case, you know, it's a very expensive shipment. I need to let customs know how much that's going to be. And then you'll have 3 areas to get your signatures. Now, one more thing. Anytime I want to print a product barcode or a product label, I would go to reporting. I would click on reports. Then I would go to labels. Now, let's say I want to print a large 2x4 barcode for my Adidas shoes. Let's say that part or barcode that product code is missing. So I would double click here, and then I would click on modify the report. I would then find that product. I would search for it. I would click on that. Then I would click OK. And now I would have my my product barcode, which I would then print. And so now this is very important. If you're to ensure that you don't waste labels, you need to look at this number down here, 1 of 1. And then when you click print, you want to make sure you have that thermal label selected. And then you want to click OK, and of course check to see how many copies you've selected, and then how many pages will be selected. So if I clicked OK now, I would print just one product label, which I would put on this box. So thank you for watching, and now you know how to do a little bit of shipping using Fishbowl, the warehouse management system that we use here at the KWEST program at Solomon College. Thank you, and have a good day.